Clow Clow, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing?
I'll eat it anyway.
Huh? What are you doing? No, you can't have what Kuya has. No, Baba. You're not eating it. Ice cream is not good for you. Kuya, she can have a little bit. Yeah.
I don't know if I want to give her though.
Ano? Oh,
Well, now I don't have a choice.
Let's see if she will do it.
It's probably too cold and then it's not gonna like it.
She's licking it now. Daddy gave Ted ice cream before, and that's a popsicle.
I need the stick. No.
If it not try to go like left it, left it. If she will take it, try. She's so cute. Is he good? Look, try to let her. Try to make her stand up for it. She's so cute. Clow Clow. Is that your snack?
Are you licking it?
Yeah, she is. Is it good? What is it, Mama? It's her first time. She can't explain why this is taste. What happened? What happened, Clow Clow? Hmm? Let's see again. Go up. She will try to get it like earlier. I'm not sure. Nana, what happened? You don't like it
I don't want
no?
it anymore.
No?
No, I think she does.
No. No. Put it down, Kuya. Put it down. Do you like it?
You should do it.
Do you like it, Papa? Do you like it?
You should feed.
Come here.
Do it.
Come on. Oh, you want Kuya to do it? Kuya doesn't want to finish it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna finish that.
No, are you done? You done?
Wait, hold on.
Right there.
Let me try again.
She wants you to do it.
I don't know. Maybe.
I want you, Kuya. Thank you, Kuya, for letting me have it. Aw. Finish it, Baba. Kuya, it tastes weird. That's her first time, like, and it's too cool.
Should I throw it out?
Yeah, throw it out. Baba, thank you.